Hello, it's me, Norika. I just have a question to you. Are you considering to have a breast implant removal today or in the future? I know some of you cannot relate or will cannot relate on my topic for today because this is all about for breast implant and this is all about for those girls or trans women who had a breast implant before and planning to have a breast explant in the future. Do I have any regrets on taking out my breast implant, my 700cc breast implant? I have decided to take out my breast implant because I'm not feeling really good on the left side. I mean, your guts really say to you that there's something wrong inside your body. So I have decided that I need to take this out because I'm having a lot of pain, a throbbing pain on the left side of my breast. I was worried about how am I gonna look after the surgery? How am I gonna, I'm worried about I'm gonna be flat chested. So I don't know. Am I gonna feel like amazing or what? I don't know. But then I realized that health for me is really very important. So it's your guts that will tell you that you have to do it. So I did it, and this is it. It's 22 or 23 days right now, and I'm ready to go back to work. And this is it. This is like all the breast tissue that I have. As you can see, I don't have any silicone inside. What you see is what you get. It's not as big as before. It's like 700cc, and it's really bothering me. I'm having problem dressing up because it's hard to find a nice clothes for you that will fit you because you have a really big boobs. Imagine it's 700cc. That's the main reason why I had my breast explant or removal. Is just because um I have this symptoms of pain on my left side. Every time I go to bed or every time I go to sleep, I always I always sleep on my right side, because if I go on my left side or I go or lay down on my back, this left side, the silicone is trying to go on the side. I feel like the breast tissue is stretching too much and it's like going on the side, and that's really bothering me, and the throbbing pain is unstoppable, and I can't sleep. Some people may regret, or some people, I don't know, maybe some are have no regrets, some has regrets, but in my case I don't have any regrets because for me health is very important. What I have noticed right now is that I am more focused, and I'm more active, and I feel more lighter, so I can run faster. And my lower back pain, I still have a lower back pain because of my job. I work in a hospital, and it's like an everyday, movement, push here, pull there, and everything. So I'm taking care of my back, but it's not worse pain anymore. It's very light pain, but the pain is there, but it's manageable right now. How am I gonna look? That's my main concern. And then, am I gonna look better? So for now, I look better and I feel amazing right now. By the way, guys, as you could see, this is my breast right now. This is all breast tissue, and then they have a incision. The incision is right here. Here is the incision. It's healing. So what they did is like an incision that it melts. Hold on. There you go. The incision they made is like I think it's melting right now, so I'm not worried about it. But I feel good. I feel amazing, and I'm so blessed. And I think the cost of the breast explant or breast implant removal is I heard when you do it outside, I think I mean, outside is main, outside, if you don't have an insurance or something, you do it on a private doctor or something like that, it will cost for you like $8,000, $6,000 to $8,000. But in my case, I have my insurance, so my insurance paid everything because of the pain that I have, that I'm experience every day. This pain is really bothering me, and it's really it's really um my health is not good anymore, so sleeping is really important for me. And I work night shift, PM shift, and or morning shift, so I really need to sleep. I really need a good sleep, at least 5 hours or so. So, guys, I hope you learned something about today regarding my breast implant removal, and or my explant, breast explant. And I hope you guys good luck if you are planning to do a breast implant removal in the future, and I wish you good health. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you all.